My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In yesterday's lecture, we did exercise 11.1 up to question number 4. Now we'll start from question number 5. Question number 5 is expand 1 plus 2x into 1 plus 3x raised to the power 4. 1 plus 2x into 1 plus 3x whole power 4. We will expand this one. Here, first factor we will write as it is 1 plus 2x. In the second factor, we will expand with the help of binomial expansion. Here, we will use Pascal triangle. In that, first of all, we will write the product of both the terms in the different terms. As first term is 1 and the second term is 3x. How many terms will be here in it? As here index is 4, then number of terms will be 5. This is the first term. Then 1 into 3x the second term. Again 1 into 3x third term, plus again 1 into 3x is fourth term, plus again 1 into 3x is the fifth term. Now is first is a and the second is b. Here exponent of a will start from as index 4, then we'll start from 4 here. 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. And here index of b or power of b will start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that, we will write the coefficients. And coefficients we will write from Pascal triangle. In Pascal triangle, we will use row 4. In fourth row, the coefficients are 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1, 4, 6, 4 and 1. Now, this 1 plus 2x as it is into here will be 1 into 1 raised to the power 4 is 1, and anything raised to the power 0 will be 1. Here everything will be 1. Here is 1 cube is 1, 4 3s are 12x. Now only we are doing here simplifications. This 3 square 9, 9 6 are 54. X square. After that here 3 cube is 27, 27 4s are 108, and x cube as it is 108 x cube. Then after that 3 raised to the power 4 is 81 x raised to the power 4. Now we'll multiply both the factors. First of all, when we will multiply this 1 with the other factor, then everything will be same as it is. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 12x is 12x plus 54x square plus 108 x cube plus 81 x raised to the power 4. Now this 2 we will multiply with the other factor inside this bracket. 2 into 1, 2x plus 12 2s are 24, x into x will be x square, 54 2s are 108 x cube, then 108 2s are 216, here will be x cube into x is x raised to the power 4, then 81 2s are 162 x raised to the power 5. Now like terms we will add together, as only one constant term is here, this one, then this 12x plus 2 will be here 14x. Now the term containing square, 54x square plus 24x square will be 78x square. Then after that the term containing cube, 108x cube, here also 108x cube will be 216x cube, 216x cube. Then 81x raised to the power 4 plus 216x raised to the power 4 will be 200. Here is 81 plus 216 is 297. 297x raised to the power 4. Then only one term is there, 162x raised to the power 5. This is the expansion. Now after that we'll start next question, question number 6. Question number 6 is, question 6. The coefficient of x in the expansion of 2 plus ax whole cube, 2 plus ax whole cube coefficient of x in this expansion here is given, that is 96. Find the value of constant a. What is the value of a? Now first of all we will expand this, as here one term here is 2 and the other term is ax. Okay, as here index is 3, we will write 4 terms here, 2 into ax, again 2 into ax, plus again 2 into ax. Now, you know, a raised to the power here index 3, then we'll start from 3. Here will be 2, here is 1, 1 in power no need to write, and here will be power 0. And b raised to the power will start from 0 and gradually decrease by 1. Increase by 1. 0, 1 here, here will be 2, and here 3. Now we will write the coefficients of these terms. As 3 is here, and when index is 3, then we will use the third row of the Pascal triangle. The third row of Pascal triangle is 1, 3, 3, 1. Here will be 1, 3, 3, and 1. Now we'll simplify. How we can simplify? This 2 cube is 8. This ax raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 into this 1, 1, 1 into 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. Plus here 2 square 4, 3s are 12. Ax plus here is 2 3s are 6. A square and x square plus 2 power 0 is 1. This is also 1. A cube x cube plus a cube x cube. As this thing is given here, this thing, the coefficient of x is 96. Coefficient of x, what is here coefficient of x? The expansion. That is 12a. It means this coefficient 12a is equal to 96. Then a is equal to, 12 8s are 96. 96 divided by 12 will be 8. This is the value of a. Now we'll start the next question. Question number 7. Question 7 here is, in question number 7, expand 3 plus x raised to the power 4. Part A here is 3 plus x raised to the power 4. First of all, we will expand this one. Then we'll go to second part, part B. Okay, in the expansion here, as index is 3, then total number of terms will be 4. 3x plus again will be here 3x plus again will be 3x, third term. Then fourth term will be here 3x. Now here we'll start from 4 as index is 4. Then here will be 3, 2, and as index is 4, then total number of terms will be 5. One more than the index. Here one more we will write 3 into x. Okay, and here will be power 0. And this will start from 0. Here 1, here 2, 3, and 4. Now we'll write the coefficients. Okay, as index is 4, then we will use the fourth row of Pascal triangle. And the fourth row of Pascal triangle are 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Now we will simplify. Here is 3 raised to the power 4 is 81 plus 3 cube is 27, 4s are 108 x plus 3 square 9, 6 are 54 x square plus here 3 4s are 12 x cube plus x raised to the power 4 in the last term. This is the expansion. Now in part B, use your answer to part A to express 3 plus square root of 5 raised to the power 4, 3 plus square root of 5 whole power 4. This we have to express in the form a plus b square root 5. In the form a plus b square root of 5. As in part A and part B, we can see here is 3 plus x raised to the power 4. 3 as it is at the place of x is square root 5. Then in this expansion we will place here at the place of x square root of 5. An expansion of this one will be 81 plus 108x. X we can write here square root of 5 plus 54 into x square. X is square root of 5 square plus 12x cube. 12 into square root of 5 cube. Then x raised to the power 4. X is square root of 5 and raised to the power 4 as it is. Now 81 plus 108 square root of 5 plus here square cancel with square root. Here is square root of 5. Okay, square cancel with square root. Here can write clearly this one. Here will be square root of 5. Now square cancel with square root. 554 5s are 270. 270 plus here square root of 5 whole cube. We can do this one like this. Square root 5 square we can make it separate and square root 5 raised to the power 1 separate. Square root cancel. This will be 5 square root of 5. And this 12 also there outside, then 12 into this 5, 60 square root 5 is coming here. This will be 60 square root of 5. And square root 5 raised to the power 4. This we can do like this. Square root of 5 square whole square will be raised to the power 4. 1 square cancel with square root, then 1 square will be on 5. 5 square is 25. It means at the end here will be 25. Now we will add the constant terms here without this square root 5. Okay, 81 plus 270 plus 25. 81 plus 270 plus 25 will be 376 plus 108, the term containing square root 5, that is 105 plus 108 plus 60, and sum will be 168 square root of 5. This is the form a plus b square root 5. Is here we need this thing a plus b square root of 5, and this is the form a plus b square root 5, where a is 376 and b is 168. Now the next question here is question number 8. Question number 8 is expand 1 plus x raised to the power 5, 1 plus x raised to the power 5. This is part A. After that, part B and C are there. We will do those parts. But first of all, we are expanding this one. Now, these type of questions we already have done in the previous question also. Now I will make it short. When we are writing here the product, then first term is 1, other term is x. Okay, in the product 1 into x will be x. Okay, and 1 raised to the power 5, 1 raised to the power 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, everything will be 1. Okay, then we will start here only from x raised to the power 0 plus then x raised to the power 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to the power 4 plus x raised to the power 5. Other term why I did not write here is 1 raised to the power 5, 1, 1 raised to the power 4, 1, 3, 1, cube 1, 1 square 1. Okay, in the same way 1 raised to the power 0, 1. Okay, that will be 1, 1 in product will not make any change. Now we'll write the coefficient of these terms. As index is 5. Okay, when index is 5, we will go to the 5th row of Pascal triangle. In the 5th row of Pascal triangle is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. 1, 5, 10, again 10, 5, and 1. Now we'll simplify. Here x raised by 0 is 1, then plus 5x plus 10x square plus 10x cube plus 5x raised to the power 4 plus 1 into x raised to the power 5 is x raised to the power 5. This is the expansion. Now in part B, here is use your answer to part A to express 1 plus square root of 3 raised to the power 5. 1 plus square root of 3 raised to the power 5 in the form a plus b square root 3. In the form a plus b square root of 3. In this form we have to write. When we are comparing this part A and part B, 1 is at the place of 1, x is square root of 3, and x is 5 in both the binomial expansion. As x is square root of 3, then in this expansion we have to substitute x at the place of x square root of 3. Everything is same except x, then we will replace x with the corresponding value of x. 1 plus 5 into x, x is square root of 3, plus 10x square, x is square root of 3 square, plus 10x cube, x cube mean square root 3 cube, plus 5 into x is square root of 3 raised to the power 4, plus x raised to the power 5 mean square root of 3 raised to the power 5. Now we'll simplify. 1 plus 5 square root 3 plus here square root 3 square. Square cancel with square root, 10 threes are 30. Plus here will be square root 3 cube. Square root 3 square into square root of 3. That square cancel with square root. Okay. And only one square root 3 will be there. That will be like this. You can see here. Square root of 3 into square root of 3, square root 3 square and square root 3 raised to the power 1 will be square root 3 cube. This cancel with this, here will be 3 square root of 3, and that 3 into 10 is 30 square root 3 as it is. Here square root 3 raised to the power 4 will be square root 3 square whole square. One square cancel with square root, and other square we can write on this 3. 3 square is 9, 9 5s are 45. Here square root 3 raised to the power 5, square root 3 raised to the power 4 we can make separate, and 1 square root 3 will be separate. Okay, that power 4 just like this will be 9, and square root 3 will be there. That is 9 square root of 3. Now we will add the like terms. 1 plus 30, 31, 31 and 45 will be 76. Then 5 square root 3 plus 30 square root 3 plus 9 square root 3 will be 44 square root 3 plus 44 square root of 3. This is the form a plus b square root of 3. This is a plus b square root of 3. This was the first part of this part B. Now second part here is 1 minus square root 3 raised to the power 5. 1 minus square root 3 raised to the power 5. Here in this expansion, when we are comparing this one with this first part, at the place of x is minus square root of 3. Then in this expansion, this one, we will substitute at the place of x minus square root of 3. 1 plus 5 into minus square root of 3 plus 10 into minus square root 3 square plus 10 into minus square root 3 cube plus 5 into minus of square root 3 raised to the power 4 plus at the end minus square root 3 raised to the power 5. Now here 1 minus 5 square root 3, here will be minus square is plus, and 3 square root cancel, 10 3s are 30, then minus with cube will be negative sign there, okay, and here will be 30 square root of 3. Here in this term and this term everything is same, but here where power is odd, then negative sign will be there. Where power is even, negative turn into positive, okay. Here even with the even power it will be positive, and 5 into square root 3 raised power 4, that will be 45 like this. Then the last one here will be minus 9 square root of 3 like this, but here as power is odd, then this minus at the place of this plus, and here will be minus, okay, as our odd negative base will be negative. Now we will add the like terms. 1 plus 30 plus 45 will be 76, minus 5 square root 3 minus 30 minus 9, that will be minus 44, and with that square root 3 is already there, okay. This is the answer. This is the form a minus b square root of 3, or a plus b square root of 3. Here a is 76 and b is minus 44 square root of 3. As here in the second part is saying c plus square root of d. This will we will this is a plus b square root of 3. Then here a is 76 and b is 44, and this one here is c plus d square root of 3. It means c is 76 and d is minus 44. Now part C here is use your answer to part B to simplify 1 plus square root of 3 raised to the power 5 plus 1 minus square root of 3 raised to the power 5. Here part C. In part C, what he's saying, use your answer to part B to simplify 1 plus square root 3 raised to the power 5. 1 plus square root 3 raised to the power 5 plus 1 minus square root of 3 raised to the power 5. Simplify this one by using part B. As simplification of 1 plus square root 3 raised to the power 5 is this one, and 1 minus square root of 3 raised to the power 5 is this one. Then here we can place 76 plus 44 square root of 3 plus 1 minus square root raised to the power 5 is this one, that is 76 minus 44 square root of 3. As this negative and positive can cancel with each other, then 76 and 76 will be 152. This will be the answer.